Hi everyone, welcome to writercool.com. In today's video, we'll teach you how to build responsive to-do list web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's beginner friendly and will use local storage to make a task persist even after refreshing the page. By the end, you'll have project showcased in your portfolio. If you are excited to learn, give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more web development tutorials. If you wanted to learn from scratch, be available from start to end of this video. Don't try to skip a single part of the video, otherwise you'll miss very important concept. Here, what will build a functional to-do list app where user can add tasks, edit tasks, delete tasks, save their list to local storage so that tasks persist after refreshing. This project is perfect for beginners to practice the web manipulations and data persistence. Here, I will add just one task to showcase the data where you will have options to edit and post modifications. You can even save it. If you want, even you can delete it. Here, when you will click on the blank task, will also get notifications. Now, let's start with the HTML structure. This will include an input fields, a button to add tasks, and an unordered list to display them. Let's start building it in Notepad++. Now here, I will just try to create doc type HTML because we are building a professional applications. After that, I will define the language. So here, HTML lang equal to in double quote en. Now, post that I wanted to include head, and after that we'll add meta characteristics and name. So we'll create a new tag meta char set equal to in double quote UTF-8. Now, meta name I will add your viewport. Meta name equal to in double quote viewport. This is done. Next, we'll add the content and width device as well as initial scale. Content equal to in double quote width equal to device hyphen width, comma, initial scale equal to 1.0 in double quotes. Because this is a to-do list, I'll add the title as to-do list app, and here we'll close this title. Now, because we wanted to use CSS and JavaScript, here we'll add link relations equal to style sheet in double quotes and href equal to the file name which we are providing. So here I'll add styles.css. Because this is local file, that's the reason I'm not providing the path. If you are saving this file into the other folder, definitely you need to add the file path as well. Now, next I will close the head. That's it. After that, the main flow will start under the body. Here we'll add division class. Div class, where class will have container, and under this container we'll add the button, and the style of container will be defined under CSS file. So after this, we'll add one header h1. Under this, we'll add the title to-do list, and we'll close this header with /h1. Now, next action is div class input sections. Div class equal to in double quote input section in double quotes, and then I'm adding the text box as well as the button. So here input type equal to in double quote text here id equal to in double quote task hyphen input, and the double quotes will be closed. Placeholder I will add here as add a new task, and that's it. After that we'll add button id. So here button id equal to add hyphen task hyphen btn, so that we can make the style accordingly. And after that we'll add task text, and then we'll close the button. This is done. After this I will close div as well, and that's it. Next is unordered list, where I will add ULID equal to in double quote task list, and then unordered list will be closed. Here we'll add close of div tag as well. This is the final div close, and we'll add JavaScript as well. For adding the JavaScript here, we'll add script src equal to script.js. The script.js in double quote close. And finally, we'll have script, then body close, then HTML close. Our HTML data is ready. We can save it and see the result. But the formatting and structure, we have to define it. Do you like structured tutorials like this one? Let me know in the comments. After this, we'll see style, the app to make it visually appealing. We'll use CSS to create a clean, responsive design. Before we'll start, let me see it and show you the result. After that, we'll start implementing the CSS file. Now this is done. Let me go to the folder, and here is our list. We don't have any styling. If you can see here, we have the proper formats are defined. Let's try to build it like this. Because we wanted to add CSS, we'll use again text file itself and make the changes. Because we have used container, so here I will use container as the class, and under curly braces we'll define max width colon 500 pixel semicolon. Margin is again auto, background is white, padding is 20 pixel, border radius is 10 pixel, box shadow 0.4 pixel, 10 pixel, RGBA is 0.01, again 0.1. Now let me save it and try to see the styles. Now let me refresh it and see this one how it looks. Here we got in center. This is a container. Now when we'll modify other things, we'll have the proper look and feel. Next, we wanted to use dot task hyphen item. This will give us the task item display. So here we'll add display and flex semicolon, then justify contained column space hyphen between. This is done. Background colon hash F9 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 semicolon, padding colon 10 pixel, margin hyphen button bottom 10 pixel, border radius 5 pixel. That's it. And we have to close it. Let me save and refresh the page. Now you can see this differences. After that, this is saved. Let me refresh the page. I think there's some typo error. That's the reason it's not reflecting. But whenever we add this here, we will get this task list or task item. Now, for the exciting part, adding interactive using JavaScript will handle adding tasks, editing, deleting, and saving them to local storage. To start with this, again, I will add new text file. First, we'll add task functions where we'll use constant task text input file dot value dot trim where if task text equal to cannot be empty whenever we are clicking on that, and whenever we'll add the task it should be added where we'll see the task. So that's functions of adding this task where we can add the task by using these functions. For deleting the task, we have to add deleting a task functions. Function delete task is index, splice, and the indexes which will keep increasing on it. And render task will save into the local folder. For the local storage integrations, you can see it here. We have added, we'll remove this code, then only it will work. Function save task, local storage dot set items, and the task and JSON string if y task, where it will add the value into the task or save the value into the task. So that's how the JavaScript functions will work. You can always pause the video and try writing these functions yourself. Let me know if you get stuck. I'm here to help you. Let's test our app. You can see tasks are added, edited, deleted seamlessly. And when we refresh the page, the task pauses because of the local storage. If you can see here, I'm just adding coding, adding the task. When I will refresh, then also we'll have this data available. If I want, I can edit it, codings, save the changes, and we still have the data available. If I wanted to add multiple tasks, I do have the options. So you have built a fully functional to-do list app. Here are a few ways to customize it further. Add a due date for tasks, implement task prioritizations, add animations for tasks, additions and deletions. Let me know how you would customize it in the comments. Congratulations for completing this project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our Gurukul channel for more web development projects. Don't forget to check out the video description for source code and additional resources. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.